Hi, everybody. Welcome to day one of e-learning. Oh my gosh, how weird. Yes, I am alone in my classroom right now. Please look, it's literally just me. So sad. My favorite people are supposed to be in these desks. So sad. So please know that we miss you guys so much. And I would much rather be teaching with you in front of me as opposed to just me sitting literally alone talking to myself. In my classroom because that's really weird. Okay, so here's how it's pretty much going to work. I'm going to talk to you guys for about 5-6 minutes a day, kind of go through some material. If at any point it's going too fast, pause the video, rewind, re-listen, and then if you have questions, you can message me. Okay, so here we go. What we're going to do today for Tuesday, we are just going to quickly review translations. And we covered that last week, so it should be a total review. I'll go through a few slides, I'll ask you some questions, and you'll answer in your head. And then I'll talk about your assignment for Tuesday. All right, here we go. All right, so 3 jobs for you today. Number 1, you want to be able to, if you see a translation on the screen, you want to say, yes, this is a translation, or no, it's a reflection. You want to actually be able to translate a figure according to a rule. And when you see 2 translations on the screen, you want to be able to write a rule from that. Again, think back to the purple worksheet from last week, like a million years ago, and the one that you guys colored. Those are the skills that you guys used for there. All right, let's keep going. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, a translation is a slide when you take one figure and you move it across a coordinate plane. If you look on your screen, image number 1 should be called your pre-image because it's just A, B, C, D, and figure 2 is your image, and you know that because it has A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. For this one in particular, it follows the rule x plus 9, y plus 4 because it moved to the right 9 and it moved up 4. So translation is a slide. Starts with your pre-image and moves over to your image. And that's consistent for this whole unit. If you're looking at the 2 images and you're asked, all right, do these show translations? Looking at this one on the left, this blue guy here, IRT, is my pre-image. To get to my image in red, it just slid to the right and slid down. That is a translation. It didn't turn around. It didn't flip over. It's a translation. This guy, though, because your purple flips onto your blue, okay, your purple pre-image flips to your image in blue, that is a reflection. It flipped. It's not a translation. Okay, also, side note, sorry for the lighting in the classroom. Yikes. All right, next. When you're asked to translate a figure on a coordinate plane, you need to start with your pre-image and follow the rule that you're given. So this rule in particular tells us that every single coordinate will move to the right 4 and down 2. So every single corner here will move the same distance horizontally, same distance vertically. So right now, after I finish talking, pause really quick and kind of move your finger and say, okay, it's going to go right here. So that on the next screen, you'll be able to see what it is. Pause, 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 pause. Okay, here we go. So if you did that, which you should have, it should look like this. So every single piece moved to the right 4 and it moved down 2. And notice that I labeled my image with prime as well. Now, if you're looking at a translation and you're asked to write a rule, remember, step 1, you need to identify which one is your pre-image. So if you're looking at your screen, pause it quickly and look at which one's your pre-image. Unpause. All right, it should be your blue one because that's just RIT or whatever. Then you're going to pick one of your coordinates and you are going to trace the movement. Okay, sorry about that. Ms. Vanna walked in and I had to give her a big hug to say goodbye. All right, so you're looking from your pre-image to your image. All you want to do is pick one coordinate and see how it's moving. So if I'm picking R, I know that it's moving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left, and it's moving 2 up. So take a look at how that rule would look. 5 to the left and 2 up. And again, you guys are great at that when we did that together last week, when we were all together. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, that's it. You have 2 jobs to do for me. Number 1, you have a Pearson online lesson quiz, and it's titled, what you can kind of see there that's highlighted. It's called Translations Lesson Quiz 3/17/20. That needs to be submitted by 9 o'clock tonight. 9 o'clock tonight, 9 o'clock tonight. And then you have your problem solving number 3 is already assigned to you on Schoology. It is due by 11:59 Thursday. If you need anything, you have any questions, you let me know. Other than that, miss you guys so much. See you later. Keep learning. I think that's it. Bye.